Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be going through Cambridge IGCSE Feb March 2024 paper 4-2, right? So let's start with first question over here. The first question that I have here is a grocer sells potatoes, mushrooms and carrots. A customer buys 3 kilograms of mushroom at 1.04 per kg and 4 kg of carrots at 1.28 per kg. Calculate the total cost. Now the total cost, use 3 kg at 1.4 per kg. So 1 kg cost this. So 3 kg is times 3. So 1.04 times 3 and plus then 4 kg of carrots 1.28. 1.28 is cost of 1 kg and then times 4. So just plug in these values in the calculator and you are going to get it 8.24. Okay. Now part B. In 1 week the ratio of masses of vegetables sold by grocer is potato, mushroom, carrots is 11 to 8 to 6. So the question is, work out the mass of mushrooms sold as percentage of the total mass. So the total mass is going to be here of the mushroom is here, which is 8 out of total is 11 plus 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6 is 14 plus 11, it's 25. So 8 out of 25 and we are looking for the percentage times 100. So that is 32%. 25 times 4, 8 times 4 is 32, right? Now part 2, the total masses of potatoes, mushrooms and carrots sold is 1500 kilograms. Find the mass of the carrot the grocer sells this week, right? So we have here the carrots. We are talking about the carrots. Carrots are how many? They are 6 here. Here 6, right? So 6 carrots out of 25 and how much will be out of 1500, right? So just calculate that and it comes out to be 360, right? Now the profit the grocer makes is selling 1 kg of carrots is 0.75. Find the total profit of the grocer makes selling carrots this week. So for 1 kg cost is 0.75 and he has sold how many? 360 kilograms. So that is $270. Now next part we have, on the last day of the week the grocer reduces the price of 1 kg of potato by 8% to 1.15. So this 1.15 is the reduced price. So let me write it down here. The reduced price is $1.15. So let's say the original price, we don't know the original price. So let's say the original price is $X. Calculate the original price of 1 kg of potato. So we can have the reduced by 8%. So let's say the reduced one is going to be, it is 8%. So we can say 100 minus 8, that it is reduced by 92%, the reduced price, right? So now we will write it down that 92% of the original price will become 1.15, right, after reducing. So it is 92 over 100 times x equals to 1.15. So reduced price 1.15 times 100 divided by 92. So this is 1.25. Okay. Now the grocer buys 620 kg of onions, correct to nearest 20 kg. He packs them into bags, each containing 5 kg of onions, correct to nearest 1 kg. Calculate the upper bound for the number of bags of onions that he packs, right? So you must underline the keywords that we need here. We need upper bound and this is nearest to 20 kg. So half of that is going to be 10 kg. Here half of this divided by 2 is 0.25. 5. So we will find out upper bound and lower bound of 620. Upper bound is you are going to add 10, that is 630. For lower bound we are going to subtract 10, 620. And for this 5 kg, half of this 0.5, we are going to add 0.5 and subtract 0.5. This is 5.5 and this will become 4.5, right? So now we are looking for the number of bags. The number of bags is like 620 kg and divided by 5, right? But this is just the formula, but we are looking for the upper bound. We are looking for the upper bound of number of bags, right? So we are not going to use this one directly, but we are going to take like upper bound of 620 divided by lower bound of 5. Upper bound of 620 is 630, lower bound of 5 is 4.5. So calculate this. This is 140. So the final answer is going to be 140. Okay. So let's see what is the next question that we have here. The next question is from circles. We have here this A, B, C, D are the points on a circle A, B, C, D, right? Then ADX and BCX are straight line. ADX and BCX are the straight lines. Angle BAD is X, angle DCX is Y, right? Now explain why X is equal to Y. Give geometrical reasoning, a reason for each statement you make, right? So now we see that here this angle is angle BCD. Angle BCD is BCD. This angle is 100, and because this is total 180, so this is going to be 180 minus Y, right? And angle X, this one plus this opposite angle, this is 180 minus Y. Angle X plus 180 minus Y, this is going to be 180. Sum of these opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are 180, is 180. In a cyclic quadrilateral, we need to write down reason. In a cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles add up to 180, right? So here 180 is gone, so angle X is equal to angle Y. So that means X is equal to Y. That's what we need to prove here. So we can write down hence proved, right? Now show that triangle ABX is similar to triangle CDX. ABX and CDX, right? So we need to show that this is similar. So to show that we are going to take here triangle ABX and triangle CDX. So in these two triangles we need to show three things equal. So angle X is common, so we will write down X is equal to X, which is common in both triangles, common angle. And then we have angle X is equal to angle Y. We have just proved it, X is equal to Y, just proved it now. And then we will have angle XBA, this angle XBA is going to be XDC, this angle. These two angles are equal, right? So XBA is equal to angle XDC. So once we have all these three equal, then we can say the triangle is both triangles are congruent. So that means triangle ABX, similar, we are talking about similar, triangle CDX. Okay, so that was B part. So let's see what do we have next here. C part, AD is 15, AD, here is AD, AD is 15, DX is 9, this is 9, and CX is 12. Find BC, we are looking for this BC here. So as we have proved these two triangles are congruent, so we can write down that the sides which are equal. So I'm going to write down here and triangle, because triangle ABX is similar to triangle CDX, therefore AB over CD, this is AB here, AB over CD will be equal to AX over CX, AX over CX from other side, and equals to BX over DX, BX over dx, right? So then this is equal to k, which is the constant that we are going to get here. So now from here we can substitute the values that we have here over here. So now we are just going to put all these values. Now AB and CD we don't have here, so AX here is 15 plus 9. So we are taking these two, 15 plus 9 over CX, CX is 12, equals to BX, BX is from here to here, BX, which is BC plus 12. So BC plus 12 over DX, DX is 9, right? So now we are just going to substitute the value. This is 24 over 12, this 9 here, BC plus 12, right? So from here 12 times 2, 9 times 2, it's 18, equals to BC plus 12. So BC is 18 minus 12, which is 6. So 6 centimeters, right? Now complete the statement. And the area ratio of the area of triangle ABX and area of triangle CDX is this much. So AB, we know that these two triangles are congruent. So we will write it down, because triangles are similar. Sorry, I'm using again and again congruent word. Triangles are similar. So area of triangle ABX ratio area of let me write it down as a fraction, area of triangle ABX, area of triangle CDX will be length 1 square, length 2 square, right? So length 1 is the length of first triangle ABX. So ABX is the bigger triangle, right? So bigger triangle, we can take this side, 15 plus 9, which is 24, this is the length, and square over L2. L2 we can take this one, which is 12 squared, right? So area of triangle, we are looking for the ratio. This is 24 squared, this is 12 squared, okay, not 122, this is 12 squared. So then we can just simplify 24 times 24 over 12 times 12, 12 times 2, 12 times 2. So we have to be here 4:1, right? Question 3. The table shows the information about the marks gained by each of 10 students in a test. We have marks here, frequency here. Find the range. Range is maximum value minus minimum, that is 20, minus 15, that is 5. Now calculate the mean. For the mean, we have to multiply this. This is 15 times 4, then 16 times 1 here, plus 17 times 2, plus 18 times 1, plus 19 times 0, plus 20 times 2, divided by total is 10 students. Okay, so this is 16.8 once you calculate this one. Now the median. So median we are going to take like half of 10, that is 5, because this is even number, so we will have a mean of 5th and 6th value. So 5th, 4 up to 4 we have here, 5th value is going to be here and 6th is going to be here. So we will add these two, 16 plus 17 over 2, which is 16.8. 5, right? Now write down the mode. Mode is with the maximum frequency. Maximum frequency is 4 and the mode is going to be 15, the particular value for the marks, right? Now Paulo's mean marks for 7 homework tasks is 17. After completing the 8th task, his mean mark is 17.5. Calculate Paulo's 8th marks. So first 7 marks, x1 plus x2 up to x7 divided by 7 is 17, right? So that means sum of the first 7 marks is 17 times 7, which is 119. Okay, now there is 8th task added in that, so that means x1 plus x2 plus x3 up to x7 plus there is x8. Now as there are 8 tasks, so divided by 8, now the mean is 17.5. so now we have this value from x1 to x7. Sum of the first 7 values is 119 plus x8, right? 17.5. This 8 can be multiplied on other side. So once you multiply here, you will get x8 17.5. Let me do it. 17.5 times 8. This is 140 minus this 119 is going to subtract minus 119, so this is 21. So 8th value is going to be 21. Okay, now let's move to next part. We have here a table shows the percentage score by each of the 100 students in their final exam. Okay, so we have percentage given here, frequency is here. On the grid, draw the histogram to show the information. To draw the histogram, we need frequency, density and the percentage. So now the frequency density is equal to frequency over class width, right? Frequency we have, but we don't have class width. We can calculate here. So this class width here is class width 30, here 50 minus 30 it's 20, this is 10, 70 minus 60 is 10, and then 100 minus 70 it is 30. And now we are looking for the frequency density. So for the frequency density, we can just write down here. So 30 divided by 12. So 30 divided by 12 because frequency over class width. So that is 0.4. 20 divided by 10 is 0.9. Similarly, all these you can find it out, right? Now we are just going to plot it on the table, right? So we have here frequency density along vertical axis and the percentage on the horizontal axis. So first of all, from 0 to 30, 0 to 30 will be up to here. So this is 30 is 0.4. So 0.4 is going to be here like this. Okay, then we have 30 to 50. 30 to 50 is up to here. 30 to 50 it is 0.9. So 0.9 is going to be up to here. Okay, then you just join this one. Please use your ruler to make a straight line. Then we have 50 to 60. 50 to 60 is 3.5. So 3.5 is going to be here in the middle, 3.5. This is from 50 to 60. Like this, right? Then we have 60 to 70 is 2. 60 to 70 is going to be here, which is 2. 2 is here. Then we have 70 to 100. It is 30. Sorry, 0.5. 0.5 is here. So that's it. That's how you are going to complete it. Okay, so this is done. Now next, question number 4. we have a diagram that shows the pyramid with the square base BC DE. The diagonal CE and BD intersect at M. This CD and B, they intersect at M, and F is directly above M. Okay, so BE is given, FM given. Calculate the volume of the pyramid. Volume is half times A times H. A is the area of the base, right? So for that we need to have this height. So area of the base times area of the base, let me write it down here, area of the base is going to be L square, which is 12, the length is 12, so 12 square, it is 144, right? Then the volume, so for the volume we have the formula 1/3 area times height. So 1/3 area is 144 times height. Height we are given here 9 centimeters. So 3 times 3, so this is 432. So final answer is 432 centimeter cubed, right? Now calculate the surface area of the pyramid. So to find out the surface area of the pyramid, we have to calculate it separately. So we have one square here and we have 4 triangles, because this is a square based. So one triangle, two triangle, one is left hand side, another one is on the back side, right? So to find out the area of the triangle, we need to have this line here. If this is the bisector, so that means if we draw a line here, that is going to intersect it into two parts, bisect into two parts, 6 and 6, and then this height, then this is a right angle triangle here, and we are looking for this height actually from here. So we can have this x here, x square by Pythagoras theorem will be 9 squared plus 6 squared. This one is 9 and this one is 6 here. Okay, so this is going to be 81 plus 36, which is 117. X is square root of 117, right? So now we will find out area of one triangle. Area of one triangle, this triangle. We will have base times height. So height we have just calculated it, half times base is 12 and height is 117. So this will be 6 square root 117 centimeter square, right? We have 4 such triangles. So area of 4 triangles is going to be 4 times 6 times 117. Once you calculate, this comes out to be 259.59, right? Now area of square, which is a base here, is length times width, that we have 12 times 12, that is 144 centimeter squared. This is also centimeter square. So total surface area, we are looking for total surface area, that is going to be 259.59, this one plus this one, 144, right? So this is 95304, 403.5. So we can approximately say it is 404 centimeter square, right? So that was part 2. Now next one we have here, a diagram shows a toy made from cone and a hemisphere. This is cone on top and hemisphere is down there. The base radius of the cone is and the radius of the hemisphere both are r. So this is r. The slant height is 3r. Total surface area of the toy is 304. Calculate the value of r, right? So now for this one we have here the curved surface area of the cone. We have to find out the curved surface area of the cone. So curved surface area of cone will be pi r l, right? So pi r is there and l is a slant height which is 3r, right? So this will become 3 pi r square, r times r square. So one is this one. Then surface area of hemisphere. So surface area of sphere is 4 pi r and half of that is going to be 2 pi r squared, right? So then the total surface area of the toy is adding these two, 1 and 2, that is 3 pi r squared plus 2 pi r squared, that is 5 pi r squared, right? So this total area is given to us 304. So that means 5 pi r squared is equal to 304 and we are looking for the radius. So divide by 5 pi here. So this r square is 19.35 and r is square root of this, which comes out to be 4.398, so approximately 4.40. Okay, now let's see what is the next one here. Next one we have question from the factorization. So let's factorize this. So we have 12 here. So when you add two numbers you should get -1, and when you multiply these numbers you should get -12. So 4 and 3 can work. We need -12 and -1, so this number should be greater, so it should be negative sign. So x squared minus 4x plus 3x minus 12. So x is common, so we have x minus 4. From here 3 is common, x minus 4. So x minus 4 and x plus 3. So x minus 4 and x plus 3, right? Now simplify this. Here we can write it down x squared minus 4 squared, and then these factors we can just pick it up as it is. So x plus 3. So this is a square minus b square. A square minus b square, we have the formula a plus b and x plus 4 and x minus 4, right? So here we have x minus 4 and x plus 3. So this and this is cancelled, we are left with x plus 4 over x plus 3. Okay, now next simplify. So to simplify you're just going to open the brackets, just expand the brackets. So 2x minus 3, so I will do it one by one. 2x minus 3 squared can be written as a square. We are using formula this a minus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab, and a plus b is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Sorry, this is minus here, so this will be minus 2ab, right? I'm using these two formula here. So then if we are using formula, then we are just going to write it directly, no need to do it separately to save time. So a square is 2x squared plus b squared minus 2ab, 2 times 2x times 3, okay, minus a square is x square plus 1 square plus 2ab, 2 times x times 1, so this will be 2x. This is 4x squared plus 9 minus 2 times 2, 4 times 3, it's 12, x minus x squared plus 1 plus 2x, right? Now we can open this bracket. Because there is a negative sign, it's gonna change the signs. X squared, 4x squared plus 9 minus 12x minus x squared minus 1 minus 2x, right? So we have 4x minus x, it is 3x squared, 12x minus 2x, 14x plus 8. So this is our final answer, 3x squared minus 14x plus 8. Okay. Now next one is write as a single fraction in its simplest form. So we are going to take LCM of this. So in LCM we have x plus 1, x minus 3, right? Now you cross multiply 2x plus 4, x minus 3, then minus x into x plus 1, right? So once you multiply, this is 2 times 2x squared, then 3 times 2 6x, plus now multiply by 4, 4x minus 4 times 3 is 12, then minus x squared minus x. Okay, so here we will have x plus 1 and x minus 3 as it is, right? So now x squared, 2x squared minus x squared is x squared, then 6x minus x, this is 7, 7 minus 4, it will be 3, negative 3x, and minus, then we have 12. So we have x plus 1 and x minus 3. So that will be our final answer, x squared minus 3x minus 12 over x plus 1 and x minus 3. Now expand, we are just going to expand the brackets. First I am going to do these two. So this is going to be x squared minus 3x minus 5x plus 15. Then we have 2x plus 1 as it is. So let's just simplify this one, x squared minus 8x plus 15, then 2x plus 1, right? So once you multiply, now we are going to multiply this way. This is 2x cubed minus 16x squared plus 30x plus x squared minus 8x plus 15. Now combining like terms, 2x cubed, then we have these two, this is minus 15x squared, then 30 minus 8 is 22x plus 15, right? So this is the final answer, 2x cubed minus 15x squared plus 22x plus 15. Okay, now part E, we have from here x is equal to there are two ways actually. So either you can find out value of x or y from here and you can multiply it over here, or we can just multiply here by 3, then you get two new equations, one new equation, this is 3x minus 3y equals to 39, and this one remains as it is, 2x, we will just write it down, 2x squared minus 9y equals to 116. Now sorry, this is 3 times 3 is 9y. Now we are going to subtract it. When you subtract, then the signs of the down equation will be changed. So this is going to change. So but I will write it down as it is. This is going to be 2x squared minus 2x squared, then this and this get cancelled, then we will have plus 3x, and when you subtract this one, it is 77 equals to minus 77, right? So I'm going to shift this on other side, or you just write it down, negative 2x squared plus 3x plus 77 equals to 0. Now multiply the whole equation by negative 1. So this will be 2x squared minus 3x minus 77 equals to 0. Now we can multiply this. When you multiply, it's 154. So meaning when you factorize, we need here, when you add, should be negative 3, and when you multiply, it should be 154. 77 times 2 is 154. So 11 and 14 will work. 11 and 14. So 14 will be negative because this is negative sign here. So this was also negative. So we can write it down, 2x squared minus 14x plus 11x minus 77 equals to 0. Now 2x is common. Then we have x minus 14 plus 11 is common, x minus 7. Sorry, here when you take out x, 2x common, so we will left with here 7. So x minus 7, x minus 7 is out again, 2x plus 11 equals to 0. So from here x is 7 and 2x plus 11 is equal to 0 and x is going to be minus 11 over 2, right? So we got x 7 and negative 11 over 2. Now we are going to substitute the values to get the value of y. So from here we have x minus 3y equals to 13, right? So we have the value of x, so substitute y first for x equals to 7. So this will be x 7 minus 3y equals to 13. So negative 3y equals to 13 minus 7, it is 6 minus 3 minus 3. So answer is minus 2. So when x is 7, y is equal to minus 2. Now for x equals to minus 11 over 2. So 7 minus 3 times 11 over 2, negative 11 over 2 equals to 13, right? So this is 33 here. Sorry, x is not 7, x is, we need to substitute the value of x. So x is 11, negative 11 over 2 minus 3y equals to 13, right? So then negative 11 over 2 minus 13 equals to 3y. So once you calculate this one, you are going to get here 37 over 6. Okay. So that's it for this video. Remaining question we are going to do in the next one. Thank you so much guys for watching. Kindly subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.